Hello, I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be making this video. I'm going to be making this video about cannabis, weed, marijuana, Mary Jane, whatever lovely name you have for it. I'm going to do an unboxing. First, I wanted to talk about some of my favorite products. So first, we got the Lazy Susan. Lazy Susan cones. They're slow burning, ultra thin, vegan papers. They're made from the finest wood pulp for your ultimate smoking pleasure. These are my favorite cones. They're pre-rolls. They have the filter, and inside it also comes with a little tool you can use to pack your herb. Got the beautiful Lazy Susan logo right there. Love these, and they make these in this size and they make them in a mini size. I'm also gonna plug Bong Appetit. Recently I've been watching these videos so much on YouTube. I absolutely love them, and one of my favorite parts is when they are, you know, cooking in the kitchen and they open up the doors to that weed pantry that has everything: distillate, sugar, salt, herb, oil, concentrate. They literally have everything. I aspire to have a pantry that looks like that. Shout out to my roomie Will for getting me this book for Christmas, and this kind of really jump-started some things for me of cooking with weed and thinking about making tinctures and canna butter and stuff like that. And this book is great. I started reading it, and you know, it's when I first learned. It has a beautiful picture of the plants. It's very informational in the beginning, and something it pointed out to me: before you cook, you need to decarboxylate the weed. And there's kind of, you know, a little process. You have to do a few steps to get it decarboxylated and get it ready to be infused with something, an oil, a butter, to be turned into a tincture. And so then, because you need a decarboxylator, I did some research into different options I may have. I'm living in an apartment. Truthfully, for the smell, I'd like to contain it in my apartment. I don't want it leaking out, not because I personally don't care about the smell, but I'm trying to contain it for my neighbors' sake. On Amazon, I was looking, and there's a few options. There's one that's like a glass kind of Tupperware container, and you can put that in the oven, and it also has a thermometer, so you can really keep an eye on the temperature while it's regulating. There are other devices I was looking into, but I ended up with the Ardent Mini precision heater, and we're gonna do the unboxing. So a little bit about Ardent. There are many things that I liked about this company, about the founder, the owner, the technology. I think the Emerald magazine did a great job on the founder and owner, Chanel Lindsay, right here. I believe representation matters, so me seeing a face like this, you know, was a major part in founding and creating this technology and also doing more for people. I really resonate with what she's doing, her message, and in this article, I will link it below. You will have to read it yourself because there's a lot of good stuff in here. It talks a bit about her story. She was using cannabis to help with her pain, and in America at the moment, there are only a few states that are fully legalized. There are a number of states that are decriminalized, and there are states that you could only use it medicinally. And I mean, it is possible there are states that are not progressive in this at all. So today, for this unboxing video, I'm going to tell you a bit about Ardent. We are going to do the unboxing, and then you are going to follow along with me, and I have the supplies, and we're going to do a coconut oil infused infusion. I'm so excited. This is my first infusion, so I'm really excited. But first, let's light one up. This goes out to all the homies, present, past, and future. Perfect. All right, a little bit about Ardent Cannabis. Ardent is a Boston-based biotech and medical cannabis device company with pioneering technologies that drastically improve administration and effectiveness. With a team of partners skilled in all aspects of manufacturing, from advanced thermal engineering to elite electronics, we produce the Nova, a laboratory-grade precision decarboxylator for medical cannabis patients. There is a reason that up until now, cannabis users smoked or cooked their marijuana. To have any effect, the THC and CBD in cannabis must be decarboxylated to become biologically available. Learn more about decarboxylation here. Click the page. Understanding that precise decarboxylation improves all forms of cannabis administration and is the key to accuracy in dosing. Ardent's team of experts have refined and perfected the decarboxylation process in order to produce a patient-controlled, laboratory-grade device. Decarboxylated cannabis is more potent for smoking or vaporizing and can be eaten immediately. Frustrated by the limitations of the inhalation and digestive administration routes, in August 2013, Ardent founder Chanel Lindsay developed novel methods and processes for the administration of sublingual, under the tongue, cannabis. As this type of application had never before been observed, the company filed for protection on the new smokeless dosage form with so many advantages. The timing was appropriate. The expanding marketplace associated with the medical and social use of herbal cannabis has resulted in scores of speculative startups, while Wall Street's growing focus on cannabinoid-based drugs resulted in GW Pharmaceuticals' 2014 $100 million offering to support FDA trials for its Sativex and Epidiolex sublingual sprays. I'm so excited for this technology. I am also a veteran, and some days I am in a bit more pain than others, and my main form of cannabis intake is by smoking. This will be my first time learning how to cook with this medicine, and I am so excited. Okay, so let's start the unboxing. If you can't tell, pink is my favorite color, and I also love that about Blazy Susan. This is how it comes in this nice cylinder packaging, and there's a seal right here. On the outside of the box, this case for it, and we also have this Ardent Elite Mini Owner's Manual. Oh, this is the cutest accessory. Good, because I'll be taking it with me everywhere. Like, oh, I have an infusion to make. Oh, I have a tincture to make. Okay. It gives instructions. Let's see. 1. Remove the Ardent Elite Mini from the box. It is an electrical device. We recommend placing it on a countertop or somewhere out of reach of children, pets, away from water. And once it's in the desired location, plug it in. Okay. All right, we'll follow along with these. All right. Alright, let's see what's inside. Oh, the mini! Oh. Alright, so that was the inside of the case. This is the Ardent Mini. Got the cord, the electrical cord. And on front, we have the power button. You have A1, A2, infuse. And the M must be for mode. Okay. It says do not submerge in water. No pas plonger dans l'eau. That's French. I'm working on my French. The next instruction: pull the top black cover of the unit. Place your previously purchased botanical inside the container. Pull back. Okay. Cute top. And this is what the inside looks like. This is the mini size. So this is a little comparison of the mini. Please do not attempt to exceed that amount or jam material into the container. Note that material does not need to be ground up. It can be placed in the container as is, stems and all. The beauty of the Ardent Elite Mini is that you can activate a lot of material or just a tiny bit. The lights on the control button will be green, indicating that your Ardent Elite Mini is ready for use. Choose the function that you want to run. The A1 setting is an algorithmic cycle that does not exceed 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The A2 setting is an algorithmic cycle that does not exceed 275 Fahrenheit. The infusion setting is an algorithmic cycle that does not exceed 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the Mode M button to choose between A1, A2, or infusion mode. When the green light is on the desired mode, press the power button to start the cycle. It gives you a diagram describing the device a bit more. So this inside is the thermal heating core. There's dual sensors. And here, the decarb algorithm. Relax. Step 5, relax and wait. During the heating process, do not open the unit for any reason. There is no need to monitor it while it is in operation. Since the Elite Mini is a smart device, the internal computer and algorithm control the entire process. If you need to stop the process, hold the power button down for 3 seconds until the light turns green. This will stop the cycle. Step 6. The entire cycle, which includes the heat up, runtime, and cool down period, takes from 1.5 to 3 hours depending on the density of the botanicals. The sensors are monitoring the temperature in real time and prompting heating cycles that fully permeate all of the material. When the cycle is complete, the power button will blink red, indicating the cycle is complete and the unit is cooling down. Those are the instructions.